Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A bold and imaginative look into the future of opulent mobile life can be found in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Le Voyageur Motorhome Interstellar concept design. This proposed vehicle goes beyond traditional ideas of a motorhome, imagining a self-contained residence that skillfully combines state-of-the-art technology, luxurious luxury, and an intergalactic design language. The Interstellar concept design's exterior design is distinguished by a smooth and aerodynamic profile that forgoes conventional boxy shapes in favor of streamlined, sculpted lines. Both structural integrity and a futuristic aesthetic would be enhanced by advanced composite materials, perhaps with self-healing or adaptive qualities. In addition to providing illumination, integrated lighting systems using dynamic LED arrays would also represent the vehicle's personality through subtle color and intensity changes, while preserving privacy and climate control. Panoramic glazing, possibly with adjustable transparency using electrochromic technology, would provide residents with vast vistas of their surroundings. For a seamless and safe entering experience, access points would be seamlessly integrated, possibly via touch-sensitive panels or biometric recognition. Internally, a feeling of infinite space and flexible functioning would be given top priority in the Interstellar concept design. The layout would probably be modular, enabling reconfigurations to accommodate a range of requirements, such as mobile offices, leisure areas, or extended living. The use of high-quality, eco-friendly materials would permeate the space, resulting in a subtle beauty and tactile depth. Regardless of the outside environment, intelligent air filtration and climate control technologies would guarantee the highest level of comfort and well-being. There would be widespread but covert technological integration. Vehicle systems, entertainment, and communication would be managed by holographic displays and user-friendly voice control interfaces, reducing physical clutter. Modern driver assistance technologies would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue on lengthy trips, possibly opening the door to complete autonomy under the right circumstances. No matter where they are, residents would have constant access to information and entertainment thanks to seamless and pervasive connectivity. With ergonomically built furniture that effortlessly converts to enhanced space use, the living quarters would be meticulously created. Culinary endeavors would be supported by a gourmet galley furnished with induction cooking and intelligent refrigeration. Comfort and peace of mind would be given first priority in sleeping arrangements, maybe combining noise-canceling devices and illumination that follows the circadian pattern. Spa-like restrooms with cutting-edge water-saving features would provide a haven for individual renewal. A next-generation electric drivetrain, perhaps augmented by cutting-edge energy storage technologies like solid-state batteries or hydrogen fuel cells, would power the Interstellar concept design, guaranteeing emission-free and silent operation. Self-sufficiency would be further improved with integrated solar panels on the roof and maybe deployable energy harvesting equipment. For those who want to travel the world without sacrificing comfort, technology, or environmental responsibility, Mercedes-Benz Le Voyageur Motorhome Interstellar concept design is more than just a car. It's a vision of a mobile sanctuary that seamlessly blends aspirational futurism with terrestrial luxury. It's a daring move that will redefine what luxury leisure travel can provide in the decades to come.